Hey guys, and welcome back to another video. In this video we are actually going to take the Skoda to a garage where they are going to change the front left spring on it because it's broken off. We are using the Defender to tow it. We are going to put the Skoda back together and then take it out of the garage and then put the Defender in. I'll change the oil on it. I did that last week to check if I still get diesel in the oil, and I still do. I made a video on replacing the injector washers and seals, and I used some Britpart seals, and it's probably that the seals aren't good enough and aren't sealing properly. So I still get diesel in my oil. I'm waiting on parts, and because of Brexit and stuff, parts haven't been arriving and I haven't been able to order from the UK. I'm just going to change the oil on it tonight, and then tomorrow morning we'll be towing the Skoda with it, and then the oil level won't rise that much compared to driving a few weeks with it. I'm just going to do that, change the oil, change the tires as well. I'm going to be putting on the original size tires just because we're not going to drive fast. These tires will actually increase the RPMs a bit and give it a bit more power basically. I haven't remapped the Defender yet either, so I think it's going to tow a lot better with some smaller but original size tires. So yeah, that's basically the plans for this video. I'm just going to put the Skoda back together and take it out, and then we can start talking about the Defender. Okay, so I wanted to get the Defender in the garage, and I started to let the air pressures down, but then I remembered that in order to get it in the garage I have to let all the air out of the tires and then put about 3-4 wheels in the back as well. Right now I've got a bunch of stuff that needs to go to recycling in the back, so I don't have space for any tires. So this is as far as we can go into the garage. The snorkel is already hitting on the door, but I'll be able to get under it and drain the oil and then put new oil in. This oil change is only a quick one, so I'm not doing any filters or anything. Just the oil so I can get all the diesel that's mixed with the oil out and give the turbo a bit better lubrication just for tomorrow. And after that, when we finish the towing tomorrow, I'll just let the car sit until I get the new parts. I've ordered them, but with Brexit and everything it might take a while longer, so I'm thinking I might have to wait a week and a half or so. Yeah, so let's get on with draining the oil. Oh, and as you saw, I can't open any doors. This is the struggle having a Defender in Sweden. It's cold, it's been freezing, it's always wet, and when it freezes all the locks go as well. So it really sucks having a Defender in below 0 degrees. So let's get on with the oil change. And now we just wait for the remaining oil or diesel to drip out, and then we'll put the plug back in. Yeah, I think that was about a total of 10 liters that came out of there now. And I measured the oil that I put in, and that was 6 liters. That's about 4 liters more in only like 200 kilometers or so. So that's really worrying. But yeah, if the seals are fine, then it can actually be a cracked head, because then there can be tiny little cracks between diesel and oil galleys, and actually pressurize the oil system and put diesel into the oil. So I'm really hoping that it's not that, because that would not be fun at all. So we'll just wait for it to finish dripping. We'll put the oil sump bolt back in, and then we'll pour some new oil in. And my beautiful homemade funnel. So that's that for the oil change, and now I'll just back it out of the garage and put the other wheels on. And now all the wheels are replaced. Okay, so it's now the next day, and the Defender is all prepared. I've had a small heater inside of the car all night, and I also disconnected all the locks yesterday evening and managed to open all the doors. So now they actually open, but the car can't be locked. So it doesn't matter, it's Sweden. I'm going to my sister, who actually has a driver's license to drive my Defender with a heavy trailer. So I'm going to go and pick her up, and then we're going to get the trailer, come back here and collect the Skoda. So yeah, just come along. Hello.
Hey.
Okay, so now it's time to connect the trailer to the car. We've rented a trailer here at the gas station. Now my sister's going to back the car up, and we're taking this trailer to collect the Skoda.
Volgens mij is deze een beetje naar de TS. Ja, wel.
Die remmen van de kar zitten vast. Misschien zijn ze gewoon vastgevroren.
Ja, maar
Moet
gewoon
even
even...
de koppeling indrukken. En dan zo. En nou in de eenweg gaan. Dan heb je lage viering. En nou. Weer. Ik zal eens de andere kant kijken of die los. Die rollen wel, het is alleen die andere kant die vast zit. Ja. Eén wiel ging los nou. Ja. Doe maar. Doe maar. Nee, misschien moet je eens een keer weer achteruit gaan dan. Ja, nou. Nee. Ah. Trek maar door. Well, first the lock was frozen and then all the brakes were frozen. But we put the car in low range and just pulled it with the brakes locked. And with low range, the brakes finally loosened up as well. So now we're on our way. We only have a half an hour to load the car and deliver it. And it's about 20 minutes driving there. So yeah. Okay, so this adventure has come to a stop. We were about to load up the Skoda, but the trailer is trash. So the hydraulic mechanism to lift up the whole trailer is not working at all. And the whole trailer has been trash all the time, basically. First, the lock for the trailer lock was frozen, and then all the wheels were frozen, and now that is trash. So we can actually not take the Skoda to the garage because we can't get it on if the trailer doesn't tip. Yeah. And this car is trash as well. As soon as we use the indicators, the fuse went. So we have no indicators. It is leaking diesel. And I've just opened the hood and checked, and it's the diesel fuel pressure regulator. That will probably be my third one this year. I'll have to change. Yeah, but anyways, we have no locks, we have no indicators, we have a trash trailer, and the Skoda is parked again and won't be fixed. All in all, quite a shitty day. So yeah, let's see if the car holds and we can return the trailer to the gas station, and then that's the end of this day, I think. Okay, so now we've dropped off the broken trailer. We're now on our way to a different renting place, and we are going to pick up another trailer. Okay, so now we're on our second trailer and we are in no hurry. We had to cancel the garage appointment. We had to switch trailers, but at least they told us that we could just drop the car off and then they'll fix it sometime this week. So we rented a different one and are now going to load up the Skoda on this trailer. It's so cold outside, it's freezing. Okay, now it's all loaded up, let's go. So the Skoda has finally been dropped off at the garage. Now we're on our way dropping off the trailer. And we're back home again. We parked up the Defender. It did a fantastic job towing the trailer. It's strong, it's composed, it runs really great just towing, so I'm really confident in future towing projects as well. Yeah, so I hope you liked this video. Thank you for watching. Of course, please share this video with other people. And in the meantime, you can also go and subscribe to my Instagram. Follow me there, called TD5 Adventures. We'll see you in the next video. Bye.